welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be painting the subframe and control arms and stuff. I don't know what to say. So I already went ahead and quickly scuffed these. I had to take this to my work again because there was hella gunk in here. So it decided to rust over on the way over here. So we're gonna be painting these real quick. I might not film that, might film a little bit of it, I don't know. But we're gonna quickly scuff this and Guillermo.
What up, dude?
Pleasure.
Who the is that guy?
So we got Ashton here in the Oz Garage shop. What's going on, my brother?
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good, good, good. What brings you in today?
Just doing an oil change and painting some shit, you know? Something light.
He's going to be joining us today on our painting episode. This is Ashton's WRX. Something light.
Something light.
He's going to do a quick oil change on it before we start painting some side skirt extensions that he got and a front lip. So we're going to get back to work.
Yer.
Work.
Yer.
You say what I'm saying?
Alright, everybody. We got everything hung, and we're gonna start putting on the first coat of primer.
So we just got the last coat of primer on these. Gonna let them sit before we throw some color on them. We're gonna take a little break, go get some food. We all hungies. So we'll cut once we get back to work.
Yeah, I would. Oh, he got cut right there. The feelers.
Alright, so we got these all set up, all primered. They're all primered and ready to go, so I guess we'll have to talk about the colors now. So this is kind of what we were thinking for the colors. Subframe, we're going to paint it this metallic silver. And then for the lowers, we're going to paint them black. And then maybe try to throw some sparkle in it. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm going to do a light coat of this so I don't overdo it and it looks like this, because I don't want this. I want like a little bit of glitter in there. And then I might paint the knuckles this color. I don't know. I'm honestly thinking of painting them black. And then you got your clear. Y'all know the deal. But I think we'll pick this back up once these are fully painted. Save you guys a little bit of painting. Well, we got the first coat of paint on. I went on pretty heavy, low key, but this is kind of what it's looking like. I'm probably gonna do one more coat on each piece and clear it. I think it'll be good. Hopefully it turns out good. While the paint is drying on all that stuff, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing on all fours and get the rear subframe ripped out of this as well. That way it'll be easier to assemble the rear end with all the adjustable components outside of the car. So that'll be cool. So I guess we'll get to a quick little B-roll of us getting this thing on jack stands. Hold on. Are you able to go up just a little bit more?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah. A little more.
What a pain in the butt, dude. Holy fuck.
That sucked. That was sketchy. Lowering.
Am I good?
Yeah.
That felt scary.
Okay.
Okay,
Watch out.
it's out.
So we got these all painted, cleared. This is kind of what they're looking like. We decided to add a little bit of flake in this one. I don't know how well you guys can see that.
It's in there.
It's in though. It's in though. And then this is how the lowers came out. And we're gonna get to work on that thing.
No mercy, no mercy, no mercy.
That shit is rusty. Oh my.
Dude, has not hit the streets in a minute.
Is it that?
We got the rear subframe ripped out of this thing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and come back tomorrow and disassemble it. So that way we can get it ready for paint. It was actually really easy to drop this. A lot easier than I thought. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. So while editing, I decided that I should probably end this video here right now. So before I do that, I'm going to show you guys the finished product on the painted parts. So let's get into that. This is the end result. Came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Here's the knuckles. Still don't really know on the color on those, but so far I'm liking them. And then here's the lowers. These actually came out pretty good. I think this will all tie in fairly well. I think it'll all look good. So that's going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Got a lot done today. Got the whole front end assembly fully painted. Got the rear subframe fully ripped out of this thing, which today I am going to be tearing this apart, so stay tuned for next week's video. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.